what would the price of Bitcoin do in the next coming few hours, and what are you going to be anticipating in terms of price direction as far as BTC is going, because recently we are having some sort of trading data that we can use to potentially get to identify the next immediate Bitcoin direction. So obviously if you guys if you guys watched today's live stream, I did pretty much break down why I really think that the price of Bitcoin is most likely going to go to 27,000 US dollars, and then from there we are most likely going to end up correcting and shooting back into the trading range as per Wyckoff accumulation schematic. So this is basically what I'm expecting. I'm expecting the price to sort of drop down to 27,000 US dollars and then get back into this particular range. So right now, as you guys can see, right, the price of BTC is beginning to appreciate in value, and it seems the bulls are kind of beginning to defend, especially due to the fact that we obviously experienced these doji candles, and the bulls are kind of beginning to gain some momentum. But this information is not really as strong due to the fact that we had like a very blatant impulsive move towards the downside. So this is just like a blip in comparison to the trading data that we have had. So in order for us to like continue with our bullish bias, we have to have at least days of significant bulls taking charge and just pretty much being in control of the situation. However, if you take a look at the smaller time frame, right, if you take a look at the 1 hour, right, you guys can clearly see that we are beginning to form some sort of triangle pattern, which I'm definitely looking at, because we are about to reach the apex of this particular triangle, and eventually we're going to sort of determine or define our next destination as far as this particular breakout is concerned. So we could break to the upside, but you guys just have to remember that we have a lot of resistance. Well, not really a lot of resistance. We have immediate resistance as far as the upside is concerned. So if we do this right, you guys can clearly see that we are having resistance levels from here. Let me change the color to red. And immediately above us, we have another resistance level right there as well. So if we had to pump towards the upside, we're most likely going to encounter some crucial resistance that we need to sort of break above and regain those value positions. So for example, 33,422 all the way to $34,600. So all these levels above us are areas of resistance, and if we had to take a measurement right from here to there, right, that's like literally a 2% resistance sell wall, which is hopefully awaiting us to sort of go back and reclaim that area. Let's say for example we end up pumping and we break out to the upside and we end up going to 34,000 US dollars, right? That is literally almost a 6% price pump from this particular moment until we find that resistance level. So with that information, right, obviously if you take a look at the risk and the reward factor, it doesn't really make a lot of sense in order for one to sort of enter this particular trade in anticipation of the price pump there, unless we really begin trading above this particular area. 34,600 should be like our consistent support. So if for example the price is going to be back into this particular range, right, because you guys have been telling you about this range for like the longest period of time, right? So if we get back into this particular range and the price closes above, starts trading above 34,600, then I would be definitely looking forward to trading with the bulls. However, I'm not I'm not really entirely bearish, because I saw one of your comments. You guys are saying I'm flipping narratives. I'm not really flipping any narratives. You know, I just understand, according to Wyckoff accumulation schematic, the price has got a tendency of dropping further. So what I'm anticipating is for the price to go close to 27,000 US dollars. That's when I'm going to be sort of stepping in and longing this particular trading action. So all I wanted to tell you is we are about to sort of break out of this particular trading triangle, and there's going to be a moment where we're just going to get to the apex and sort of decide well, what's most likely going to happen. So usually both scenarios can happen. We could break out towards the upside and get rejected at 33,300 and then continue dropping down, because a lot of breakout traders usually sort of place trades above this particular resistance, and then they sort of try to get in, and then the price kind of reverses to the other opposite side. So if we do break out here, right, make sure you check out what the price action is going to be at 33,000 500 US dollars. So if that gets rejected as well, then we could have like some more downside, which is most likely going to continue. And right now, what if the price breaks down? If the price breaks down, then just like I told you in today's live stream, 27,000 is most likely going to be our next destination. Of course, the price could potentially go to 30,000, because this is where we had this trading data right over here, and as you can see, we've got nodes here, like from 29,000 to around 30,000. So the price could potentially drop. So if the price loses this particular area, then 27,000 is absolutely going to be the end of this particular spring, and then we're going to get back into this particular range. So right now I'm just glued to the charts, and I'm going to be keeping you guys updated. Remember to hit the like button, smash the like button, and you guys are going to be updated like on a consistent basis. So that's all I had for you today as far as altcoins are concerned, right? Let's take a look at what has been happening. So like in the past 1 hour, some coins such as SafeMoon have been sort of doing very well. And this one, Pirate Chain. Why the hell is Pirate Chain up by about 29%? I've never seen this coin. What the hell is this coin all about? So it's a privacy chain type of coin. Okay. 765. And the rank, what rank does it occupy? Yeah, I need to take a look at this. I'll take a look at it a little bit later. But these are the types of moments that I love to observe, like the strongest cryptocurrencies, because let's say for example, we've been like in this downward corrective pattern type of situation as far as the markets are concerned. So when you have cryptocurrencies that sort of defy the odds and just sort of perform better when everything else is doing very bad, they deserve to be scrutinized. So I'm not really giving like any buy recommendation for Pirate Chain and all that good stuff. I'm just saying it's a very good way to like filter the best projects, because the best projects tend to sort of stand out, especially when there's chaos. So Theta Fuel has obviously been doing well, and this one we did trade it, and I gave you all the things that you needed to like take a look at as far as Theta Network is concerned and Theta Fuel is concerned. So yeah, pretty much due to the fact that the Bitcoin dominance is going up, right? If you take a look at the Bitcoin dominance, it's been going up. For the most part, expect Bitcoin to outperform a lot of alternative cryptocurrencies. So like if you were to ask me, I'd rather concentrate on BTC in comparison to alts, because BTC is overall going to outshine and outperform altcoins. So that's all I had for you. Basically, I just wanted to like give you like a very quick short update with regards to this particular trading action, and just wanted to like give you my stance as far as the resistance levels and where we might potentially have like some hiccups and what we need to do in order for us like keep our bullish narrative. Okay, so just a summary: in order for the price to continue trading in this particular trading range, right? We expect the price to regain and start trading above 34,700, and if we end up being rejected at 33,400, then that really means that we've got a high probability of us continuing towards 27,000, and then from 27,000, this is where we're most likely going to end up bouncing back into this particular range in anticipation of this Wyckoff schematic to play out. So that's what I had for you. It's been your boy Muna, aka Beyond 10x. Smash the likes right about now. Drop me a comment. Let me know if this is very helpful. Like if I'm more active. Do you like it if I give you like more updates during a day, or you just prefer me giving you one update in a day? So please drop everything in the comment section below. Talk to you a little bit later. Bye.